Hi, I'm Samrita and welcome to the Canvas Whisper. And today I'll be creating a simple and calming circle mandala, a design that brings balance, peace, and mindfulness. To begin with the mandala, let's gather the tools needed for it. For today's video, I'll be using some simple art tools like a compass for the perfect circles, a ruler for symmetry, some fine liners for details, pencil, and a protector. Mandalas don't need to be complex. They are about flow and the patience. Let's get started with the mandala. Every mandala starts with a center point. Just like our thoughts begin within, from here, we will let the patterns radiate outward like the energy. So, first we'll be drawing a circle. So I have first drawn an outline of how I would like my mandala to be, and let's do our creativity now. This circle mandala has no date. Thank you for joining me in this calm and creative journey. You felt inspired? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on the Canvas Whisper for more mandalas and writing. Thank you.